let's start working on Starflight. So, what do we know about Starflight? Well, Starflight is a male Nightwing. He was in the book The Dark Secret, but as well as other books, but that's the one he's the main protagonist in. Um, Now, along with being a Dragonette of Destiny, and one of the founders of the Jade Mountain Academy, he was also partially responsible for ending the War of Sandwing Succession. So, um, now, after being caught in a volcanic eruption, unfortunately, um, he was permanently blinded. And yeah, so we can add a blindfold if we want to Starflight, or you can create him before he was blinded. So now he is the head librarian at Jade Mountain Academy. So what we're going to use some black because Starflight has described as having midnight black scales with little glints of some purple or deep blue in them. But I'm just going to go ahead and use black for the scales. Now, there are silver scales on the underside of his black wings. There are like silver kind of glittery kind of scales, I guess. So I'm going to use some silver glitter in my black clay and to get that. Um, he has a black head, claws, black claws, and if you do make him after he was blinded, then he wears a white blindfold. And if you don't, he's got dark green eyes. So with like large burn scars, if you wanted to. And the burn scars would go across his scales and snout area, like on his head. So I'm going to use some pink to add a little bit of that scarring. So that's that. I am going to make his underbelly in silver as well as his horns. So because they're not really well described, so I'm just going to take the liberty of using silver. So that's how I envision Starflight. But you can, use whatever other colors you think he would have. So that's what we will need for our Starflight.